How to change Autofill credit card on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. You are now in the Safari settings page. Here, scroll down to the General section and go to Autofill. Autofill automatically fills out web forms using your contact or credit card info. Go to Saved Credit Cards below and then tap on Add Credit Card. Now, enter your credit card details over here such as the name, card number, expiration, and more. After that, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily change Autofill credit card on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.